Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to make our TikTok account private. So let's get started. At first let's get into TikTok, so here it is. Now we need to click on profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now we can click on the three lines option in the top right corner. Now click on setting and privacy. Now click on privacy here. Now you can see private account. So click on this bar. So now your account is private. Now with this a private account, only users you approve can follow you, watch your videos. And also your existing followers won't be affected by this. So this is how you can private your account. So that was all for this video. I hope you can easily private your account now. So thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe. See you in the next video.